Hello, welcome to technology platform. So we already seen OS model, some lightweighted methods, attributes. We have seen it. Now we are going to see some advanced OS model. So OS model, we have so many things, but now we are going to see some better than earlier OS model. So earlier we have seen something like basic things. Now you have to see some more advanced level. Let's see. Let me open idle and then you can see it now. So I just opened idle. Earlier you saw the like os.list directory, everything like this. Now I, I'm just saying that import os.get cwd. Currently you are in Python. So just for a example purpose, I want to switch over here. See users desktop tutorial scripts. Here I want to switch over to show some advanced level. Let's see. For that, you know that like it is change directory. So change directory and then it should be like tutorial and then scripts. Then it will change it to scripts directory and then you can check it here. Now this is in scripts. One more, yeah. Now this is your clear. Now if you type OS, let's wait for some time. It will give you something here. So many attributes you have. Now I want to show you something like path. So OS dot path. Let's see now. In this path, just press dot. First thing is absolute path. Now if you type it like this, absolute path, and then just type it like this, then it will give you where you are scripts. Now I know only tutorial directory name, but I don't know which path exactly. Now see this. I forgot the exact full name of that path and all, but I remember only my directory name. So I'm just typing tutorial. Let's see. It will show you the exact path where the tutorial folder is available. That it clearly shows you. Now I don't know which path I'm currently available or where it is. So now if you check single quotes dot and then single quotes, let's see now. This is in scripts, right? And then os dot path dot abs dot path. I'll say like double dot. It will come just like this. So this is something like we can say like these are all path and absolute path. So if you don't know that exact path but you know that directory name, then it would be helpful for you. And another thing is like you already used in dir like type and then dir slash b, something like that. But here also the same thing. Let's see now. I want to instead of list dir, I want to use system related command prompt related file keywords. Let's see now. See os dot system then dir slash p. Now see this, it doesn't have anything because this is tutorial. Let's see now. I will go to the scripts folder. I will change it to os dot chrdir then scripts folder. Okay, I'll copy whole thing, right? Yeah, just paste it. os.get wct os.get wct open bracket close bracket. Now it is in here. Now just check whether it is working or not. Now type it. Oh, okay. So I think it is not working here. We will use some other method to display this kind of DOS cell prompts. Let me show you. So here it is returning only 0 1 something like that, right? So how you are able to retrieve that one, that I will show you. Let's see now. Now I'm just, so here it is not at all working. os.system it is 0, but it should return 1.py chapter 1 hello, but it is not returning. Now I want to return here. See this, I'll say like variable. I take variable, and then I'm going to os dot the new command popen, and then just type it dir slash b, and then read lines. Now see this. Now you're always printing, right, str, so that's things. Now see 1.py and chapter 1 hello world, it came in. So by using this diba, by using system, it is not retrieving. So here we used popen command to list out that files and everything. Now one more thing you are asking, like I want to read what is written in this inside file, like this. See, print hello world, and here print hello world, like this it is returning. I want to read this file. Now use the same command os dot popen. So instead of dir, you already use in the cell prompt type, give that name py 1.py, you are giving that, and then read. Now see this, type just str because print is always default. Now you are getting what is we written inside 1.py, that it is showing here. So this is called some popen commands. Now we can slowly just see some other things also, so that you can easily understand some in-depth process. Let's see. So we have seen so many things. Be open. Now I will just do some, what we can say, like hmm, we are going to write something, but that is something difficult, but we are able to understand, I hope so. Let's see now. I'm going to open. So now I want to, here once you have done it dir slash b, here it is open by using read lines, right? Now I want to capture it some variable, and then I want to display it. Let me show you that how we are going to write that. Let's see. Now you used read lines, and then you just printed to display this one. Now see this, I'm just storing str os.popen, and then same I'm typing dir slash b, and now I want to just display only star.py, and then just I enter it, and there is a loop command called iteration. Now see this, iter I'm just passing, sorry, str, I'll say like iter str. I'm just keeping that variables. Now I dot double underscore next, double underscore next. Now see this, you'll get an, sorry, not I, str dot next. See this, it will display here. You are getting only one file you're able to read. Now if you use next underscore again str, then you will get next file. Again if you type, there is no command, that's it, it's already stopped, the iteration has been stopped. So this kind of some advanced level, this one. So you're able to open so many things, but here you will see like how we have to use it in a different things to get it. So might be this should be helpful for you. And then rename filing also we have. Let's see, that is also we can try it. Let's see, that's for rename directory and then getting a size. So many things we have. Let's see one more example and then we'll see. Just 1 minute, I'll just thinking what command we need to use it. Let's see. Yeah, so I want to create one more file and then I'll try to rename it, then you can see how it works. And then we'll see. Just 1 minute, we have seen so many things. Okay, now I'm going to show you rename the file and all. Let's recreate a file here just for my understanding, 1.txt. Now here, so currently where you are, in this scripts folder only. Now os dot rename, anything is there, yeah, it's there, rename. Then the file name is 1.txt. Yes, 1.txt. I want to rename it like 2.txt, something like this. See, it's rename 2.txt like this. So this is called one more option. And removing I already showed you. And one more thing is that whether the file is exist or not, that you can see by using os dot path dot exist and then just give the file name. I'm just giving the file name like 1.txt. Let's see, it should say false, something like that. 1.txt, false. Now I want to give it 2.txt, true, it is exist. So like this you can use it. And if you want to get the file size, something like that, let's see, os dot path, wait for some times, it will show some get size. The file name is 1.py, like that. I'm just giving it any file name you can give it, right? I'm just giving this one, let's see, 22. So 22 bytes, it is showing in a bytes format. So because of that you are getting like this 22. Let's see. So you can see some advanced level in the os. See you in the next session. Thank you, bye.